Hey there! In this quick tutorial, we're building a creative 404 error page with glitch effects, a funny message, and a touch of dev humor. Let's jump right in. Start with your HTML and CSS files. Open the HTML with Live Server first. Let's add the Orbitron font from Google Fonts. Paste the link inside the head tag. Now the structure, a div container. Inside container, add an h1 with the class glitch and set data text to 404. Next, a paragraph that says, "This page went on a coffee break." Another paragraph for a quirky message. And a back to safety button using an anchor tag. Below that, we're adding a code block. Just a fun little fake error message using the pre-tag and some spans to color the code. Our structure is done. Let's style the page. Start with the universal selector. Remove margin and padding. Then the body. Dark background, light text, Orbitron font. Make it full screen by minimum height 100 dVH. dVH stands for dynamic viewport height. Flexbox to center everything. And set text align to center. Container max width. Now the fun part, the glitch target, the .glitch class, big font, white color position, relative and animation, called glitch. Use before and after to copy the same text here. You can see the content added before and after our glitch. Change position to absolute. Left 0. Now give different color to both. Before, color Z index 1. You can see it on screen. Now name the animation glitch top. For after, change color, Z index 1. And name the animation glitch bottom. Push them behind by Z index -1. Now add the keyframes for glitch. For random shifts at 0%. %, 40%, 60%, 80%, 100%. Now keyframes for glitch top. 0%, 50%, 100%. Copy same code, paste here. Just change glitch top to glitch bottom and change values. You'll see it come alive with that classic glitch effect. Looks awesome. Next style, the yellow oops message, make it bold and bright. Then the smaller message below, light gray with some spacing. Now the back to safety button. Bold black text, rounded corners, and a smooth hover effect code. For the code block, dark background padding, rounded corners, and monospace font. Color the text like syntax. Comments, gray. Red for keywords. Yellow for properties. There is maybe some issue. Let's check out here. I accidentally wrote property instead of property. Correct it. Color brackets as well. Now everything looking good, let's check responsiveness. On desktop, good. Looking good on laptop and on tablet as well. But not on mobile, we've to add media query. At 768 pixel, shrink the container width and glitch text. Now, below 768 pixel works good. But here, see this code block. Overflow below 500 pixel. So add a media query at 500 pixel. Below 500 pixel, reduce font sizes even more. And set overflow auto on the code block so it scrolls when needed. Also, shrink the button padding for smaller screens. Now it's fully responsive. Just set the code block and that's it. A fun 404 error page with a personality. You can easily plug this into your projects or just keep it as a creative side experiment. If you liked it, leave comment and don't forget to subscribe the channel.